Are you ready to nail party? Hello, I'm Tammy Taylor, president of Tammy Taylor Nails, and today I'm so excited to demonstrate for you Dazzle Rocks Glitter Toenails. Now let's get started. Sanitize your hands and your client's feet with sanitize, available in peach or gardenia. Remove the polish with fast-acting polish remover, available in peach or gardenia. Push back the cuticle using the pterygium stone. Make sure there's no skin or any cuticle that's grown up on the nail. The pterygium stone helps adhesion. I will be using the long-lasting 180 zebra to shape the nail and to remove the shine on the nail. Very lightly, just go over the top of the nail, remove the shine. This helps adhesion. Go around the cuticle. Get in the side walls. Dust off the nails using a plastic manicure brush. This also helps adhesion. Apply Bond-It non-acid primer for gel nails and let this dry. This dries out the oils in the nail and kills the germs on the nail. You only need a little bit. Use it very sparingly. Apply Tip-It gel to cap the tip. This will make sure that your glitter toenails don't chip and they last longer, especially on the small toenails. Just use a small amount. Cap your tip. Cure 45 seconds in your Mighty Mini Deluxe or 2 minutes in a UV. And this little bottom comes off. It's magnetic. You can just set it right on top of your toenails, which makes it really convenient. Apply Flawless Foundation Base Gel. Apply this to the entire nail. Cap the tip. Cure 45 seconds in your LED or 2 minutes in your UV. Apply a very thin coat of cashmere beige Gel Against Gel polish. You're going to be using glitter, so you don't want it to get too thick. Cap the tip. Cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. I will be using Moonlight Gold Dazzle Rocks. Apply another thin coat of cashmere beige. Cover the entire nail. Every place you want to apply the Dazzle Rocks. can use a little scoop. Just sprinkle it over the top. Cover the entire nail. Make sure you cover it really well. Okay. I just use a dry gel brush to go in and clean around the side wall and the cuticle area. Because once you put your top coat on, it's going to stay. So you want to clean it up first. Go to your next nail. Scoop it out. Clean it up. Cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Dust off the nails with a plastic manicure brush to remove any excess glitter. Then use your clean finish buffing file and just smooth down the top. So when you put on your finishing top gel, it's nice and smooth. Make sure it's smooth. Go around the cuticle. It's just a very soft buff. The clean finish buffer works great because it's not a coarse buffer and just smooths it right down. Without removing any of your glitter. It's not filing off your glitter, it's just smoothing off the top surface. Clean off the nails with sanitize. Brush them off. This gets all the excess glitter off, gets them nice and clean. Then we're going to apply our top gel. Apply Flawless Finish Top Gel to finish the nails. This makes them super shiny. Look at that, how pretty. Oh my gosh, these are so beautiful. How easy and how fast and how beautiful are those? Cure 45 seconds in your LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Clean off the nails with Clean It. Then finish with your conditioning cuticle oil, available in peach or gardenia. Rub it in. And they're so smooth. You can't even feel that that's glitter. And look how shiny those are. Now we have Dazzle Rock Glitter Toenails over Gel-Against Gel Polish. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And remember, at Tammy Taylor Nails, nails are always fun and never feel like work.